Welcome to today's video. My name is Agent Double Sonic, and in this video we're going to be drawing this little friend right here. Boop. Will it focus? Will it zoom in? Nope. Oh. Yep. Dell. He's the one with the red nose. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. What is this? If you look very hard and imagine it's Dell, it is Dell. He's like this big. Alright, but anyways, peace, love, and hot sauce. I did it again. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.